Greetings there things and welcome back. Okay, so the very first thing we're gonna do is cleanse our skin. I have been obsessed with this Teami Blends superfood cleanser. It's made with organic ingredients. Yeah, lately I've been trying to lean more towards the natural side of things. This cleanser is 100% natural, organic ingredients, vegan, non-GMO, certified cruelty-free, and it's created in small batches. There's no synthetic dyes, no synthetic fragrance. I have really sensitive skin, so I have to be very careful with anything that I put on my face. So my skin troubles, I'm just gonna take a pump. So I struggle with redness, I struggle with texture. I'm getting up there in age. I have wrinkles you just can't see from this angle. This cleanser is nice and lightweight, and it smells like summer. It smells like apples. It smells so good. So this has matcha in it, sea salt. It doesn't feel grainy. It's very lightweight and thin and cooling. My skin looks better already. I haven't even moved on to the next step. I really love that cleanser. My skin feels nourished and it doesn't feel tight and dry like with some other cleansers that I was using. So I'm really happy with this cleanser. My skin feels, like to the touch, it feels a lot smoother. My redness has calmed down a lot and my skin just feels really clean. And there's no alcohol in this, which I believe is why my skin doesn't feel like tight and dry. It feels supple and happy, which is what we want. All right, we're gonna move on and do a face mask. I am obsessed with this face mask. I have tried so many face masks over the years. It's gonna change your life. This is the Teami Blends Detox Mask, and it has matcha, lemongrass, and clay. It's a green tea blend. This is paraben-free and cruelty-free, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my face, what it looks like. I have this little handy mask applicator. And this mask smells so good. I love when masks have like a pleasant smell. It doesn't burn, but it feels like something's happening for sure. It's like very cooling though. I love it so much. I never do the sides because if I'm not gonna wash my hair, I don't want to mess my hair up because it gets in there, but it's fine. Okay, I'm really excited for you guys to see the results because it really, you see an improvement with just one use. So I'm gonna let this chill, do its thing, and I'll be back in 15 minutes. All right, she's almost dry. I have about 5 more minutes and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and show you my skin and then show you the next step. I'm gonna go ahead and put a before here because there's a huge difference and I want you guys to see how skin looks, the overall appearance of my skin after I do just a simple cleanse and a face mask. This is before moisturizing. I haven't even moisturized yet, which is just so crazy. I love that mask so much. Now that we have detoxed our skin, we're going to put a little bit more nourishment back into it. I'm gonna go in with the Teami Blends Vitamin C Infused Serum and I'm just gonna put that all over. I recently started taking supplements again, like for hair, skin, and nails, and my nails are so hard, and it has to be the vitamins, right? I've never had hard nails. My nails have always been thin and flimsy and just not good nails. The vitamin C serum always, I like doing this out of the light, makes my skin so glowy. so glowy. I love it. The very last thing I'm gonna do is moisturize, and I'm gonna use the Freck Rich Bitch Cactus Vitamin C Moisturizer. A little bit more vitamin C. I have combination skin, so I have some areas that are like oily, some that are dry, and right now my skin just feels completely balanced, and that is it. I got a little red because I'm like moving the blood around in my face, but yeah, this is a little routine that I've been doing and loving lately. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the links to Teami Blends down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Peace.